Hello everybody, I'm Catherine and today I am making another artist trading card in the series where I use the cutouts of this shape, the circle, with a rectangle attached to it in order to make artist trading cards. This was the first one that I did and I made that shape into a light bulb, but now I'm ready to do the second artist trading card, so I'm going to pull another card off of my stack and start by putting a background on it because that worked out well the first time and I don't see why I shouldn't continue with things that are working out. I like this bit of scrap paper. It's got flowers all over it, flowers and leaves and things, which will go well with the next idea I have for a card. So I'm going to line it up with the edge and cut it down to match the size, and then glue this to the card. Same thing that I did the first time. I'm going to grab my tacky glue. I use it for a lot of things, but you definitely do want to make sure you're using the right glue for the right purpose, and in this case sticking two pieces of paper together is tacky glue's moment to shine. There we go, and just make sure that I get it all around along the sides and way into the corners. That is the most important part, and then just around the inside as well so that I'm not getting any lifting or anything like that from the center. There we go. And then set my glue aside for the moment and attach the two together in a way that they are sort of kind of lined up a little bit maybe. Go. Smooth it down, wiggle it around a little bit so that it just press a little aggressively there, but that's all right. Smoothing it out, making sure everything is well adhered and that it's not going to move on me. There we go. All right, and then the next thing that I want to do is take the circle and square piece and stick it on, and I'm going to stick it on to the side. This one's going to be a sideways card. Go. And exact same thing, spread the glue around, make sure I get it into the corners and all around the edges, and then through the middle. There we are. Oop. Just sticking my fingers in glue too, that's all right. And then stick it down. And I think I want to shift it down slightly so that it is, so that there's a little more space up here than there is down here. And then I am going to take a teal marker and draw a wavy line about right there, and then put some circles in it. There we go. Sort of like that. And then color in between those circles. Can you tell what this is going to end up being yet? If you can, go ahead and leave a comment in below telling me what you think it's going to end up being before I've finished it, and see if you're right. Go. Just color all in between them. There we are. And then go back to my trusty size. No, that's an 03. I want this size 8, 0.8 micron, and draw a rectangle around the top of this. Go, and then just wisps coming out of it. There we go. And then I think the words, let's see if we can do this. There we go, the word drink and the word me with an exclamation point. Drink me. And it is transformed from a circle and square to a potion bottle. I do think I want to stripe along the edge of this one too. I liked how that gave the other card a finished look. I'm not going to be able to fit it on the side with the potion bottle on it, but this side should be able to have one. So let's grab our roll of washi and let's see, keeping with the flower theme maybe, or polka dots. Ooh, green dots. I like that. So let's pull that off and line it up and take a bit of washi. I really like these cotton fabric washies. They are turning out to be really useful and just turning out to be fun. They seem to stick down well, and they lend a heaviness and a different texture to the card that I know it would not have otherwise. And I can fold it over the edge so that it gives it a hardened edge too. But let's lift that up and reposition it a bit. That didn't end up straight. So, come on you. There we go. If I can stick things down straight and then fold it over and trim off the excess. There we go. And now we have one potion bottle, drink me, artist trading card. this is what I did today. I'd love to see what you're doing today. You can tell me all about the things that you're trying out by leaving a comment down below, because I would love to hear from you. Other than that, remember to subscribe. If you'd like to see more things like this or the other cards in this series, subscribing is the perfect way to do that. If you subscribe, you will then sometimes get notifications, and if you click the little bell icon, then you should always get notifications. So you'll be able to be notified each time a new video goes up. See you guys later. Bye!